François. Hello. It's good to see you.
Good to see you again.
So could you introduce yourself first?
Yes, so my name is François Baudet and I am the Iconics France manager.
Okay. So Iconics has recently joined Mitsubishi Electric family, and I think that it's a very well-known software supplier. But maybe could you introduce the company just a little bit for us?
Yes, so Iconics provide automation software that visualize, historize, analyze, and mobilize real-time informations for any applications on any device. Iconics is a 35 years experienced company in automation software. We are a global presence worldwide, and we joined Mitsubishi Electric in 2019. And now we address the industry market and of course the food and beverage market as is part of our key domains to address our customers.
So in your opinion, what is the technology that has the potential to disrupt manufacturing the most?
Okay, the disrupting informations and value for the customer, and we are in contact with so many customers, and the feedback is artificial intelligence. And this is the next step for us. And of course, we have now software solutions based on MyLab. And the value of MyLab, you don't need to be data scientist to use the software. You don't need to have many years of historian values to do the offline analysis. And the key point for the customer, he can use very easily our software to analyze some setting goals like quality control, like performance of productions, like predictive maintenance, reduce energy consumptions, reduce the cost exploitations as well. And based on that, it can do online analysis to get some predictions to adjust the process and the setting points to make the process better. And the value of MyLab is to be closer to the production line. That is one of the key factors. So it will be very helpful for the customer to get value, analyze the value in real times, and adjust the productions in real times to predict an issue or a maintenance or any key point for him.